Close your eyes and imagine the golden era of motorcycle racing. The unmistakable smell of burning castor oil, the deafening shriek of 500 cubic centimeters Grand Prix smokers, and the brutal, razor-edged power bands. High-performance road-going two-strokes have basically been legislated out of existence. But what if someone brought that madness back, multiplied it, and put a license plate on it? Welcome to the Veloce Aperion, a brand new 1000cc 8-cylinder, two-stroke café racer that absolutely defies logic. Built by an Oxfordshire-based startup named Veloce Motorcycles, this is not just a retro throwback, it is an engineering provocation. At the heart of the Aperion is the X8 engine. We are talking about 8 cylinders arranged in an X configuration, pumping out a claimed 280 horsepower at 12,000 revolutions per minute. By diagonal pairing, the combustive and rotational forces naturally balance each other out. It uses 8 Aprilia RS 125 style cylinders around 2 separate V4 style crankcases, all machined from billet aluminum. The entire powertrain weighs just 105 kilograms. In an age of ride-by-wire throttles, IMUs, and invisible electronic interventions, the Aperion is gloriously analog. There is no fuel injection here. This absolute monster breathes through 4 pairs of 24mm Dell'Orto carburetors. And the throttle? It uses an insane 8-cable spiral twist grip arrangement. That means every time you twist the throttle, you are mechanically opening 8 carburetors at once. And yes, you still have to mix your own two-stroke oil with the petrol. It is a moving sculpture dedicated to pure internal combustion. Now, let's talk about the exhaust. Anyone who knows two-strokes knows that the expansion chamber is critical for power. Packaging 8 of them on a modern motorcycle borders on the absurd. To solve this, Veloce used modern laser-sintered metal 3D printing. The result is a complex, beautiful nest of alloy pipes wrapped tightly around the bike, turning a mechanical necessity into its defining aesthetic. But where is the frame? Well, the engine and transmission actually are the chassis. Combined into one load-bearing unit for maximum stiffness, Veloce attached a single-sided aluminum swing arm and an underslung, pull-rod suspension right to the engine cases, keeping the mass perfectly centralized. So, how can you get your hands on this 280 horsepower superbike killer? Well, you better have deep pockets. Veloce is limiting production to just 24 examples worldwide, with commissions opening for 2027. The price? A reported 78,000 British pounds, or roughly 100,000 US dollars. And shockingly, Veloce claims these bikes will actually be road legal in the UK. Does the world need a 280 horsepower two-stroke naked bike? Probably not. But the fact that it exists is exactly why we love motorcycles. It's outrageous, it's beautiful, and it's mad. Would you dare to ride this two-stroke beast? Let us know in the comments below. Drop a like if you love crazy engineering and subscribe for more mind-blowing motorcycles.